Today I got this Honda Accord. It is a 2011 model with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to show you how to change the power steering pump today because it's been leaking real bad, as you can see, and it's making whining noise because it's running low on fluid because of the leak, and it's drawing air into the system as well. So pretty common problem on Hondas, not just Accords, on all Hondas of most years. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is, hold on a second, just look in there. And so we're going to take all these hoses and stuff out of our way. Grab you a 10mm socket preferably. Now I'm using my electric tools because that's what I do. Because this is what I do for a living and I work fast. So we're going to take some rags because some of your fluid is going to leak out when I pull that hose. And we're just going to kind of pull that out and catch it so it doesn't get everywhere. We're going to tuck that hose kind of out of our way there for now. We're going to be changing that O-ring on that hose. Whenever the pump comes, it'll come with a new O-ring. So I'm not sure this pump, sometimes the pump will come with this plastic fitting, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off as a whole while I'm catching fluid so we don't spill it. And at this point there's fluid everywhere anyway, so it doesn't really matter, I guess, because it's been leaking. But you know, just to cut down the mess. I'm trying not to get it all over the belt so the belt don't make noise. Tuck that out of my way. Alright, now we're going to take our belt off. We're not changing the belt in this case because it doesn't need a belt. Let me get a couple more rags. Grab you a 14 of some sort that it will fit down in here where the tensioner is. I'm using my long mountain wrenches. Wrong way. Go towards you to the left. Pop that belt off the pump. Without trapping yourself, which that's what I'm doing. Let me get on a different angle because the ratchet is hitting the motor mount bracket. Further down here. Alright, there, now I'm good. And I'm just going to kind of lean this belt out of my way because I'm going to be putting that back on without losing your routing. You're going to have, I think, two 14mm on this one. I'll grab me a socket here. I'm still waiting for the parts, so just getting a jump on things, so I'll probably be pausing this video. When I get the pump off, to resume when I get the part. Again, I'm going to take my electric ratchet. I wanted to break it loose by hand so I don't break my ratchet. It's not really healthy for your electric tools to be breaking loose tight bolts. I've actually broke these 1/4 inches. I've actually snapped that off, and then you're without a tool until your warranty is sent back to you, which that can take weeks. Okay, both these bolts are the same, so it doesn't matter. Now the new pump's going to come with a new pulley on it because this pulley is made to the pump. Set that right there because there's probably going to be a core charge on it. And I will resume to show you all the other steps when I get back, and make sure you get Honda fluid as well too, because Hondas take special Honda fluid, which is high temperature fluid. So don't just put regular power steering fluid in this, but I'll have all that available when I come back to this video. So y'all hang tight, see y'all in a minute. Steering pump right here, and it did come with this plastic fitting, so we can go ahead and take this protective boot off. No need to change the O-ring because it already comes in there, but we do need to extract this piece from the old hose. Get you a little pair of pliers and squeeze that clamp. Just work it back and forth. Get it out. And we'll just put that on after the pump. So, go ahead and mount our pump. Like I said, these bolts are the same on both. Get them both started a few turns. Alright. Grab that 14, whatever 14 you have. Mine's fast. Alright, now I'm going to take my handy dandy ratchet here and just snug them down. Just another quarter turn. Alright. Pull that boot out of there too. Okay. Now you're going to get new O-rings. And I'm going to use one of them, the bigger one right here. A smaller one goes in there, but I don't know why they give you both because it's already installed. Then take your old hose or your power steering hose, your high pressure hose here. Get you a pick of some sort. About to stab myself. Work that old one out. Wherever it went, probably on the floor, don't care. Lube it up with some of the fluid that's already on the hose. Just work it in. Give it a light little tap. That new O-ring is nice and thick. Plastic hammer. Boom. Now that bolt we don't need. Put that in the spare bolt drawer. And that one's a little shorter, which it would still work. But the hose bolts are a little longer. Grab that 10 action again. Another little snug. Those are little, they will break easily if you're not careful. Go ahead and put my belt back on. These rags out of the way. Grab that 14 again. Wrong way. Grab your belt and get it ready to go on. Make sure you're lined up on the other pulleys and not off a notch. Get on there. Alright, now make sure you look around, making sure it looks like it's on all the pulleys straight. Work your hose back on. Now it's up to you if you want to change this clamp to a screw style clamp. I'm going to reuse it because I've never had a problem reusing them before. These rags out of my way. Yeah, my phone's ringing. I know y'all hear it. But I don't answer it when I'm doing videos. So they can wait. Make sure you get Honda power steering fluid. Honda, Acura. I'm not sure how many bottles you're going to need. Depends on how low your fluid was. Just fill it up. Alright, get all my tools out of the way and go fire this bad boy up. It's going to whine for a little bit until the air works out. So let's see if I can reach in here. It's spilling stuff everywhere. The good thing is I don't see bubbles anymore, not like I did before, because the pump was leaking. It was drawing air in this reservoir. It was, even though it was pretty full, it was just bubbling because it was sucking air in and causing it to whine. But it's whining a little bit still, but that whine will get quieter as it bleeds out. I can already tell a big difference. I know y'all didn't hear it before, but I did. So. Anyways, I'm going to end this video. Hondas bleed out quick, y'all. So if it's not bleeding out quick, you got a problem. Whether you got a bad pump or still a leak in the system. Let's put it on the ground. Make sure the power steering is working, because when it's in the air, it's going to feel smooth. The tires are touching here. Oh yeah, feels good. No more like it was doing before. Alright, I'm going to end this video right here and spray it all down. I put the cap on first before you spray it down. It's bled out already. I'm done, y'all. Anyways, I hope y'all liked this video. Hope y'all found it informative. Y'all have a good day. As always, check like. Please subscribe. Peace out, y'all.